old time lost in the clouds. I lost my body in the summer storm, somewhere over the ocean. And I think my mind may also be gone. Something more than a steady hand is what I need to borrow, just to level it out and make a new plan. Things you made just to fall apart, to tremble and cower. So I pray my eyes and ears will be last.